during my lessons so that we have lots of fun interacting in the classroom. My hobbies are reading, running, singing, and dancing, as well as camping and spending quality time with my family. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. Do you like to have fun in the classroom? Then I hope to see you very soon